What's up, YouTube? Today we will be playing some Stacky Bird. Yeah! Let's start now! I'm pretty bad at this. I have this skin because I'm bad at some reason. I just hit a perfect. I don't want to die because that will be tragic. Yeah. Oh my god, I did. I'm so noob. I'm more noob than water bucket clutching in Minecraft or World Blockcraft. If you saw my last video, I don't know, you just wanna go. Alright. Oh my god. Alright. You do this. Oh my god. You have so many men now. No! We did again. Alright guys, time to lock in. I will not be speaking this time because I am locking in. I have an achievement unlocked, Elite Perfectionist. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh! No, I don't want to red Stacky Bird. I made this game for a reason. gonna die there. Let's go! Yippee! Alright. What do we get? Some more coins. Let's decorate the house, guys. I have to go now, guys. If you like that video, subscribe later and bye.